Hey guys, we are back for a quick beer review, and today I've got a beer called the Dockside Stout, brewed up by Trevor Johnston, aka Whiskey Aficionado. I'll put a link to Trevor's channel below. So thank you very much for this, Trevor. As you know, I've been hanging on to this since I think November last year. I do want to drink it over the summer. Just wanted to let it spend some time in the bottle. So now we're into July, in the middle of our winter. I thought it'd be a perfect time to crack it open. So understand this is a Morgan's kit, but we'll pop the cap first. Nice little hiss. So yeah, it's a Morgan's kit. I'll put a link below to the kit so you can check it out. The only other thing I know is it's 4.5%. I can't remember what Trevor added to it, so yeah, we'll just go in blind. It is bottle conditioned. I might stop it there. It's been out of the fridge for about half an hour just to warm up. But that is looking absolutely fantastic. That is pretty much jet black. I'm getting the very faintest of hues down the bottom. But apart from that, there's no light coming through. Beautiful, creamy, mocha coloured head on the top. So on appearance wise, that looks absolutely fantastic. So we'll get a nose on it. Cheers guys, cheers Trevor. Been looking forward to giving this a whirl. Now we're getting to dark beer weather. Okay, first thing I'm getting, apart from the dark malts or dark roast, I'm getting like a little bit of sweetness as well off the top. So I'm not sure what that's from, what's in the kit itself. I'll try and dig out a bit more information when I find the link for the Morgan's Dockside Stout and just see if I can find out what the ingredients are. But yeah, it's definitely a little bit of sweetness there. Almost makes it smell a little bit like a milk stout. But anyway, let's dive in. Well, as you can probably tell from taking 3 mouthfuls, it slips down pretty easily. Just trying to get a bit more of an idea of the flavour. So getting the dark roast flavour coming through. Getting that sweet sort of almost like a lactose type flavour, which they use in milk stouts, which yeah, gives it that creamy, sort of silky sort of texture to the mouthfeel, which is really nice actually, especially for 4.5%. Makes it very drinkable indeed. Bitterness is good. There's a nice good hit up front, but that tapers away really quickly and smoothly, so there's no lingering harsh bitterness there. Definitely getting like some chocolate going on as well. Yeah, some chocolate, like a dark chocolate. Yeah, that roast, the creamy texture from the, well, I say lactose, I don't know if there's lactose in there, but. And the other thing I'm getting is like a real, like a dark fruit, like a almost want to say like a sultana or something, or a prune. Which actually works really well with the other flavors there. So yeah, that is fantastic for a kit. That's one of the right up there with the best that I've tried. I find that dark beers in kits work the best usually. The dark roasted malts generally bring through lots of flavour. The body on it's a little bit on the thin side. It's got a body very similar to a like a Guinness. Actually, in a lot of, now I've said Guinness, in a lot of ways it does remind me of a Guinness. Yeah, it's really nice, Trevor. Not sure what else I can add apart from it's aged beautifully. You know, it's what we're 7, 8 months down the track, and it's tasting really good. Hopefully, you've still got some bottles to try. Stouts do improve with age, and yeah, that is really good. Oh, the other thing I should add is it's got a nice, slightly dry finish to it as well, but very, very drinkable. 4.5%. It's very, very reminiscent of a Guinness, I would say. If you're looking for maybe a commercial equivalent, obviously it's not on nitro, but it's still got that creamy mouthfeel to it. So yeah, if you're interested in an extract stout, give the Morgan's Dockside Stout a whirl. Yes, very impressed. So yeah, definitely drink another one of these, Trevor, if you got another one. Okay, guys, until next time, over and out, and enjoy the rest of your weekend if you've still got any left. Cheers, guys. Cheers, Trevor. Thanks for watching.